Hey, and welcome at Slottet microfarm. Here in the Swedish countryside, life moves a little slower, shaped by the seasons, the animals, and the small moments in between. We are Harold and Marij, and this is our journey of building a life closer to nature, on a small regenerative farm. Some days are calm and beautiful, others are challenging and unpredictable. But all of it is real. In this video we invite you to slow down with us, to observe, to learn and to experience what life on a small regenerative farm looks like. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable and join us for another chapter of life here at Slottet microfarm. The past 2 weeks have been intense and emotional here on the farm. After losing our ducks, we had to take a step back. Now it's time to clean up and slowly process what happened. The barn is packed with stuff from the previous owner, so it's finally time to clear that out. And while doing that, we're discovering something interesting.
Oh. You want to take it?
It's quite big though.
It is. It's like a Barbie house.
Like a dollhouse.
With actual Barbies. I mean... Oh, this must be the swimming pool. This is the swimming pool. Oh. Look at that. Oh, but it's quite nice furniture as well. It's like very Swedish furniture. I'll get rid of the nasty stuff.
Jul är tomt och far.
What the fuck out? Look.
What was that?
That's impressive. It's like a beautiful clock. Alright.
Okay, a little bit careful then.
The baby.
Was that it?
Yeah.
So Harold, I've got a julklapp. Thanks for helping us out with this. I can't say thank you enough. So this is a green wheelbarrow. But the rest of the
It's, I guess, Norwegian.
really?
Books.
We need to hand it over.
No, it's dirty. Yeah.
Someone was quite a big fan of Carola.
Yeah, and the fan was Norwegian too.
Really?
Yeah, everything is not in Norwegian here.
Larsen. Christian Sand.
Christian Sand. That's Norway.
Oh. Okay, last one. No. Oh, that's so sad. More. Some more letters. But look at this.
Right. And it says a full name and birthday, 72. So in 84, she was fan of Carola. So she was 12 years old by then. That would explain it a bit. And that means that he's now 54. And that's not super old.
No. Yeah. How cool is this?
Not curious enough. No. I thought curiosity would win over.
How cool is that? That's amazing. It's a ducky.
Bunny, it's a duck.
Duck, yeah.
It's a duck.
It's a duck. Well, this can be thrown away, obviously.
And what is it?
About some kind of school project you made about aeroplanes. Why would you keep that?
My mom kept everything. Got it to last project in quite a hurry, right? inflatable pads, I guess. Well, and that's it.
It's cold again. So we've been cleaning and clearing the barn, like completely. Been up on the roof, on the like the attic, and been clearing out every little corner and sorting it all out. Deciding if we were going to burn some stuff, if we were going to throw away some stuff, donate some stuff, or keep it. And from everything that was inside this barn, there's only this left we're going to keep. I'll show you. So it's this, like, of course, all the ducks equipment, an old wood stove, and gas stove, some tile machine, some other equipment, and some building materials. Up here, the attic, it's completely empty finally, and this is the stuff we found from like the previous owner. And we got the contact information of this person, so we're going to message her and ask if she misses this stuff, if she maybe forget to collect it or whatever. It's her daughter's stuff, so it's all this childhood material like books and clothing, toys, you name it, you saw it of course. So it's all from her child, her daughter, so she probably wants it back. We know she's still alive, so yeah. And I'll give it a try at least to contact her and ask if she wants it back. Yeah, so that's basically it. And the stable itself is empty. Everything is gone. So that's quite a definite stage in saying goodbye. Yeah, but why I'm here is not to show our empty barn, but to give you an update on the polecat, of course, because we've left you in the previous video with the question, is he in? Did he leave? So I'm going to answer that first. And really, there is a very short answer to that question. We don't know. So we've left the camera inside, like over here, facing the door, with the door open, so he could leave. The only footage we got from the camera is a mouse getting in and out and in and out and in and out. It's like 30 videos of this mouse walking in and out the barn. So no polecat to be seen. Our main conclusion at this point is that he already left, that he found an exit, and we found one hole outside the structure where he probably has left. We saw some nail marks on the wood, so he probably has been forcing himself through that hole because it's very small. Yeah, with a lot of stress and anxiety, you probably can manage to get through those holes, of course. So that's probably the case at this point. When we cleared out the barn, we didn't find him. If he maybe died, we could have found him, of course, but that's not the case. Yeah, so he's gone. That's our main conclusion. That's probably the best. He's out there hunting mice and rats, being his natural being. So I think that's a positive ending to that story, and we can close up this whole thing and just get on with our life again, process what happens and just leave it there then. Yeah, and then last but not least, I'll tell a little bit of what our plans are with this structure, because now it's empty. We have some perspectives. So I found Harold to
Yes.
tell the story.
We're cleaning up at the other side as well, but for this project, the idea is that we take away the wall here. It's built quite later on, so we can take that out. Sort of start over again, basically. If you come in here, there has been some simple made shed, stable. We had the ducks in here at night. Just break it out, make it nice, big again, as it probably was. And then, since it has a concrete foundation, yeah, you would really want to make concrete flooring again. So you have just an actual working, usable, good barn.
Yeah, because it's just like the dirt. There was a floor,
A
but
gravel floor.
yeah, they basically all shoveled it out and it's now a layer of manure and dirt.
Yes, and if you look quite over here, I don't know if you can see at the concrete foundation, it changes color. It's a different kind of brick. Hope it shows on camera.
Yeah, it does.
If you go about here and you look very closely,
Oh, you can see it on the other
Oh, yeah.
side.
Let's follow me. So
Yeah.
back here is the same color again, and then the later stones, other color, and back here is also again, it stops.
Yeah.
So, and if you look a bit up for the beams, these are quite old. If you check the middle one, who's resting? Nah, who's resting
Yeah.
on this concrete part, is also quite old.
Yeah.
And yeah, you probably already guessed it, but these walls are quite older than this construction here.
Yeah.
So, long story short, we think here was a big entrance, like door opening. Until here, there was the big beam.
Yeah.
And on that side, same story.
Yeah.
Also, one big double door.
So over here, well, they made the double wall. So behind this is the original wall, but there were two big doors, and over here as well, two big doors.
Yeah, and it would be nice to, yeah, as I said, get extra walls out, nice new floor in, and then restore the old two big barn doors. And we can actually use this space efficiency for either animal housing, like as we did, but then properly done, and for our company, like green, where we can wash our greens and vegetables. And, or
So just a little resume. So it's all an open space again, and then probably build a new animal stable, like where the animals can be on the back end of the barn, and then this whole front with the big doors on this side will be a workspace for washing vegetables, packing them, and etc. Then you probably wonder, why didn't you do that before? Like before you got the ducks inside here? Well, that was our plan. Eventually, we wanted to do that eventually. Now the situation appeared. The ducks are gone for the winter. We thought, well, maybe just do it now and do it this winter. Otherwise, we probably have done it in the summer when they're not that often in the stable and we could use this to renovate.
Yeah. Whoa, the wind. So yeah, it was already the plan beforehand, but yeah, I got a little bit sooner on the timetable than we expected. So that's nice, a nice project. Looking forward, don't you?
Yes.
Yes.
But step by step, day by day.
Step by step, day by day. First, get rid of all the trash. What a mess.
Oh lord.
Succes!
Dank je. Tot vanavond.
See you later. Doe rustig aan. Ga ze pakken, hè? Rij voorzichtig. Santa Claus is coming to town.
that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for spending some time with us here at Slottet Microfarm. Even on the quieter days, there's always something happening around the farm. We love to hear from you. Feel free to leave a comment, share your thoughts, or tell us how things are going where you live. We'll be back next week with a new chapter, new stories, and probably a few surprises along the way. Until then, take it slow. Enjoy the little things, and we hope to see you again very soon. Hej då!